Hey everyone, today I'm looking at Project Fi, Google's wireless service. Project Fi was previously available by invitation only, but is now available nationwide. I've been watching the service for a while, and now that it's available without an invite, and it was time for a new phone, I decided to give it a shot. I've been using Project Fi now for a few weeks, and so far my experience has been great. So with Project Fi, Google partnered with T-Mobile and Sprint to give you access to both carriers' 4G LTE networks, and when available, calls and text messages are handled over Wi-Fi. As you move around, Project Fi will connect you to the network with the strongest signal. So if you started a call at home over Wi-Fi and got in the car, it would seamlessly switch to either T-Mobile or Sprint's 4G LTE network. In areas where 4G LTE is not available, it will still connect you to a 3G network. Project Fi will also automatically connect to open Wi-Fi. If you are connected to a public Wi-Fi network, Project Fi protects your data by sending it through a secure virtual private network, so other users on the network will not have access to your data. Project Fi's calling plan is simple. There's only one. For $20 a month, you get unlimited talk and text. Adding data is an additional $10 per gigabyte. The neat thing about Project Fi is that you only pay for the data that you use in a given month. So if at the end of the month you had 600 megabytes of unused data, then you'd get a credit for $6 towards your next bill. The one major drawback to Project Fi is the lack of choice when it comes to phones. Currently, there are only two officially supported phones to purchase through Google: the Nexus 6P from Huawei and the Nexus 5X from LG. Google was offering the 5X for $199 with activation for a limited time, so I jumped on that deal. Google also gives you the option to pay for your device in full or pay over 24 months. They don't even charge you more to pay over the 24 months. They also offer device protection for an extra $5 per month. The great thing about the Nexus phones is that they run the latest version of Android without all the third-party software that other phone manufacturers install. So you are getting Android just as Google meant it to be. And when the next version of Android comes out, it'll be the first device to get it. So signing up is simple. You just sign in with your Gmail account and then confirm that the service is available in your area. You are then given the option of transferring your existing number or signing up for a new one. Then you'll choose your plan, select how much data you'd like, then choose your phone, and enter your payment information. Once the phone arrives, you'll also get the SIM card. Just pop in the SIM card and you're ready to activate. It only took me a few minutes to activate and then another 15 minutes or so to be assigned a number. Transferring your number may take up to 24 hours. You'll be charged for your first month about 10 days after you activate, and at the end of the billing cycle, you'll be credited for any unused data. You can manage your account directly through the website or through the Project Fi app. They even have phone support or email support right there. Everything about the service is well thought out and they make it really easy. Now on to actually using the service. I live in a suburb of Chicago, so network coverage here is pretty good. I am rarely in a spot that doesn't have LTE coverage. And if there is no LTE, then you're connected to a 3G network. I'm able to get almost 30 megabits per second consistently, but in my home, I'm only getting under 6 megabits per second. So even though I have poor cell reception from inside certain rooms of my home, calls are connected via Wi-Fi, so call quality is great. I also had good luck with the voice calls on the LTE networks. When calls switched from Wi-Fi to cellular, I never noticed a pause or drop in quality, and I haven't had any dropped calls yet. You can also text or make calls through other devices if you are logged into Google Hangouts. One really neat thing is that voicemails get transcribed to text as well, so you can just pull down the notification bar to read the voicemail. I've always found that for the most part, I'm on a Wi-Fi network. I have access to Wi-Fi at work, family and friends' homes, and most stores I go to as well. So for me, it's not worth paying for an expensive data plan. With Project Fi, I can pay just $10 for 1 gigabyte, and am credited for anything I don't use. If I go over, I only pay for what I use. With taxes and fees, my bill comes to just $34.80. So while the cost is one of the best features of the service, I really like how clear and upfront everything is with Project Fi. No contracts or early termination fees, device protection for just another $5, tech support isn't hidden from you either. Everything is very straightforward. I also get some satisfaction from not having to directly pay one of the large wireless carriers. So for me, the price is right for the amount of data that I would use in a month. But if you need a ton of data each month, then you might be better off with an unlimited plan from Sprint or T-Mobile. Project Fi doesn't offer family plans either. So I fall right into the target demographic. I need a single line and I don't use that much data, and I fall within their coverage area. I also happen to really like the Nexus 5X. If that sounds similar to your situation, then Project Fi is a great choice. If you have any questions about Project Fi or the Nexus 5X, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to hit the like button and please subscribe. Thanks!